Good morning, everyone. This is Brad Matheny. Today is July 1st. I don't normally post gold videos, but I wanted to let you know that I have been nailing this market move for quite a while. I've been urging my subscribers and my followers to stay patient, to try to buy down in this low 2300 or below area, looking for support to build over an extended consolidation phase. Remember, we rallied up over here. This is a daily chart. We rallied up over here into an area that I thought was going to turn into resistance. This was back in April. Now I think we're going to move into a solid momentum phase to the upside, watching gold move. And I'm going to try to show you this here. Move fairly quickly up into this flagging formation between this area and this area. And I think we're going to see gold move fairly quickly up into this 2450 to 2550 area, maybe 2500, and then continue to expand further, even more aggressively into the end of this year, up into this area. And I think this is really the key point here, is that we're going to move up into this area probably by mid-September, end of September. That's 2670, 2650 to 2680, let's call it. We're going to get a nice solid melt up, a little bit of a rollover maybe in August, back down into this flagging formation, and then a roll higher. And I believe we could continue to rally up into the 2700s, 2800s, and that's going to be an impressive move. Ultimately, my projected area for this next move is between basically 2700 and 2790. So look out, folks. We're looking at a 7 to 8% rally over the next 3 to 5 weeks, followed by an additional rally up to here, another 7%, followed by an additional rally up to here, roughly another 5%, totaling about 20% total in scope, possibly a 20% rally in gold from 23, call it 30, all the way up to about 2,800. That's about a $450 rally, which I believe will be tremendous for gold. Silver will follow, but silver, let's take a look real quick. But silver will lag still, okay? Silver's going to lag back up into this area here, into the 32 to 33, maybe 33.50 area, running into a bit of resistance. And how can I tell this? Well, it's pretty simple. You know, you can take a look at the rejection point here to the rejection point here, come back down here, and you're going to see that this area right here in this 618 to 1.0 area is going to act as resistance before we try to get higher. So silver is going to move likely from where it is up into this apex, breaking out up into this area, and then consolidating and stalling for a while before trying to move higher. And again, it's just, it's just mathematics, folks. It's just Fibonacci price theory. And remember, price does one of two things. It either flags or it trends. It's always looking for a new higher low, no matter what. That's the teaching of Fibonacci price theory. And number two, if it's not looking for a new higher low, then what it's doing is technically flagging, kind of like we're looking right here. We've seen this big rally. Now we're flagging out. We're going to build this rounded base here, move back up into this apex, in my opinion, and then probably by around end of July, you're going to see silver make a big move up into this 33 to 34.50 area, roughly, right below this level, 34.80. So let's call it 34.50, 34.75. And that's the next big move there for silver. So there you go, folks. You got your gold projection building momentum right now. And then you've got your silver projection lagging a bit for about 2 or 3 weeks. This is a really good base right down here around 28.60, 28.80. This is a really good base. If you get another opportunity down in this area, you should probably strongly consider starting with what I call an anchor position, a small position in silver, maybe SLV or some other ETF. I think we're going to see a very solid move to the upside over the next probably 60, 65, 70 days, maybe even all the way into, late September here, late September. Okay, that's it for now. Talk to you later.